This is them coming down, the top drop at Land of 1,000 Holes. There's Dave. Oh, shoot. Uh-oh. That's ugly. There he is, surfing. Hey, he's surfing it.
Oh, shit.
Well, that's why it's called Land of 1,000 Holes, folks. I may have to put my camera up and help him if he can't get out of this. This is not good. Surfing, but he's stuck. Back out, Dave. Back out. Come on, buddy. Back out. Back out. Now, come on. Forward out. He got it. He got it. He's got it. Woo!